Good day everyone, and welcome to today's episode. In today's episode, I want to quickly grant a request from one of our students. If he is finding it difficult to make use of the Align tool, okay, I'm just going to jump into it straight without wasting our time. So, say for instance, you have a wall, and let's call this your building. Okay, you have a building in this manner. Okay, you have a building in this manner, and you want to make use of the Align tool. Say for instance you have a column. I'm just going to drop this column here, and I'll go back to level 1. I'm going to drop this column here. This is pretty small, so instead I will draw the column. I'm going to draw the second one, or better still, I will do this. I'll copy this and group it. Okay, I'll copy this and group it. Now by grouping it, I'll be able to move it independently. I'll be able to move everything in group instead of moving them independently. So what I want to do now is to copy this particular column. So I'm going to hit CO a couple of times on my keyboard, then I'm going to move this to this place. So say for instance we want to align this to this, so it's pretty simple. The first way is to go to modify, and using the Align tool, this is the Align tool, you copy the reference point and copy this. That's number 1. And number 2, say for instance you are in 3D and you actually move to the elevation. Sorry, I'm not in architectural template. So say for instance I want to align this to this, I'll just click this. So I have to be on the elevation. I don't even know what template I'm making use of. Okay, I think this is my west elevation. That's correct. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'll type in AL, then click on this. Now you can see that I have successfully aligned it. I've successfully aligned the first column to the other one. Where did it go to? Okay, this is how it was. Now what I want to do is I'll go back to my say east elevation. Okay, is this even right? Let's check. Well, let's see our level 1. Okay, now I'll go back to my east elevation, which is this side, east. So I'm going to align this to this. So it's either I do this or I type in AL. Now that's simple. So that is how the Align tool works. Another thing I want you to know is that you can actually move these things yourself. I'm going to hit on Ctrl Z, that is to backward. Then I'm going to click on my elevation. Say I am on this side. I can actually click on this and use my arrow key to move this. Okay, I'm actually clicking on my arrow keys to move this, so it works the same way. The only disadvantage of this particular method is 1, it is slow, and 2, you may not get precisely the position where you want to make it fit in. So I think this video is helpful, and I wish that you would be able to make use of the following steps that I've outlined in the previous records. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one.